Hello children, here is ninth problem. A body of mass 2 kg is projected vertically upwards with a velocity of 2 meter per second. Find kinetic energy of body just before striking the ground. So let us see this one. How can we do this problem? First, let us stick to the diagram. He said that a body is thrown or projected vertically upwards with a velocity of how much? 2 meter per second. Done. So, as it is projected vertically upwards, as it is moving up, its velocity gradually decreases and reaches a position where it will be at its highest position, and that is its h maximum, and then it starts traveling downward, or it starts falling downward here, and with its initial velocity 0 here, as it will be under freely falling condition, and then it reaches the ground here. So they are asking us to find out the kinetic energy just before striking the ground here. So therefore the velocity just before striking the ground is given by, already we have learned this one, root 2g h. And what is this h here? H maximum. So therefore only given is for us mass of the body is how much? 2 kg, and it is being projected with a velocity u is equals to 2 meter per second. I hope this is not necessary for us right now. Let us see this one. If want, we can use this one also. So initial velocity is equals to how much? 2 meter per second. And now kinetic energy Ke is equals to half mv square. And what is the v value given here? Root 2gh. So substituting here half into m into square comes this side, v square, this is the v square, so you get 2gh and 2 get cancel, it will be mgh. And what is this h? Already we have taken h is nothing but your h maximum. H is nothing but h maximum. And what is the formula for h maximum? Already we have u square by 2g. Let us substitute here again. So you get now kinetic energy just before touching the ground or striking the ground is mg into u square by 2g, just g get cancel, it will be half into m u square, which results in half into 2 into u value is 2 meter per second, so it will be 2 square, so 2 get cancel, and the kinetic energy of the block just striking the ground is 4 joule. See children, it seems to be very easy. You can ask me initially, sir, why you haven't taken initially that half mu square only? But he has given the question as kinetic energy of a body just before striking the ground. And you can see one more case also you can do in another way. How you can say? Already we know, right? Whatever the velocity with which it is projected upwards is same as the velocity it will reach the ground. So I am writing here point velocity with which a body is projected upward, is equal to velocity with which a body reaches the ground. So therefore from this what you can just say directly, v is equal to u. From this you can say directly v is equals to u. So therefore kinetic energy is equals to half m v square, exact formula, but it is turned as half m u square since v is equal to u, and on substituting the values we get again kinetic energy as 4 joules. So there are two ways of approaching this problem. If you get this idea, directly you can do this problem in this way. If you don't get this idea, stick to the basics and do this entire problem just by studying the behavior or motion of the object when it is thrown upwards and how it reaches and then how it comes back. Okay children?